Hi everyone! I hope you're having a good day today. And welcome back to my another tutorial video. Do you play game like Pokémon Go? Or Monster Hunter? Or any apps with need location detection your move? If you do, I will show you how to follow a route on Pokémon Go and Pokémon Go routes. If you do to play Pokémon Go and you need the routes, I will show you on this tutorial without move your body. Just do it at home with PC and your phone. Pokémon Go routes, including how to create and find a route explained. Routes are set paths you can create or follow for rewards in Pokémon Go. While you travel like normal while taking a route in Pokémon Go, you can also potentially get bonus Pokémon spawns and Zygarde cells while you're walking, along with a unique badge when you complete a route, amongst other handy rewards. To help you get to grips with this feature, we've explained how to create a route and how to find and follow routes in Pokémon Go, along with everything else you need to know about routes. How to create routes in Pokémon Go. It's important to note that currently, the majority of players can't make a route. According to Niantic, route creation is being rolled out, and you should keep an eye on your email to see when this is ready for you. A bit of a letdown, seeing as you can't complete the From A to Zygarde special research without using routes, but we do know how to create one when the feature is available. Go to the Routes tab to see close routes or select See nearby routes to expand your search area. You can tap on a route to preview it and review its details, including its length and an estimated duration. Now you simply need to follow the route. The route will color itself in as you follow it, and the ending point is marked by a red flag, with the distance between you and it decreasing as you follow the route. Connected your phone to your computer device with good USB cable. After connected and detected, open your browser. Go to this website. UltFone iOS location changer, spoof or fake GPS location without jailbreak or root. One click to change iPhone or Android location to anywhere. Work with location-based social apps and AR games such as Facebook, Pokémon Go, Monster Hunter Now, etc. Now, with this tool's UltFone iOS location changer, you can find and follow your routes in Pokémon Go without moving your body. It's free. You can download and install that UltFone iOS location changer. After you download, make sure you can install UltFone iOS location changer. Open that. On this UltFone iOS location changer, you can get many features like change location, single spot movement, multi-spot movement, and joystick movement. Click Enter. Select your device. Look, I can choose multi-spot movement to find my routes on Pokémon Go. Now, I will show you how to find routes in Pokémon Go. Swipe up to find routes, click Routes. Select the nearby Pokémon menu under the binocular symbol in the bottom right-hand corner. Make the start point. Checklist all, then click Next after you find endpoint. For example, on this video, your route was successfully submitted for review. Look, it's working. Without move my body, just with UltFone iOS location changer. I can submitted my routes to in Pokémon Go. So it's really recommended to use this UltFone iOS location changer for Pokémon Go routes. Thanks for watching this video.